Hello ladies and gentlemen, those in between, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Everett and for today's video, we're going to be reacting to another Maybe's video.
Ako ang wardrobe niya. So, nung nakita ko, ay, may letter R. Pinili ko.
Ayun nga po, akala ko po tinahipan
Letter
ni Baby
R.
yan eh. Thank you po.
R as in Riza. Ay. Kuwela din to si Miss Chris Aquino, no? May pagkakalog din siya. Ay, binili ko, may nakita kong R. By the way guys, I might as well keep the size of this video this small because hindi tayo ang owner ng video, you know, baka makapiright tayo, magka-copyright issue tayo. So I hope you guys understand.
Ako ang wardrobe niya. So, nung nakita ko, ay, may letter
May
R.
R.
Pinili ko.
Wow,
Ayun nga po,
hindi
akala
niya
ko po tinahipan ni Baby yan eh.
Hindi Papa Jack, Mama. Ma'am.
You have powers
Siyempre,
there.
piniwisan ako. Pawi. Thank you, Mom.
Okay. I love you to all the Dabber Cats.
It's nice to see Miss Chris Aquino again, no? She looks healthy. And I'm not exactly sure whether she's on steroid. Baka part yan ng medication niya, yung steroid. Kaya medyo nakalaman naman siya. Ano nangyari?
Yes, Mom.
Can I guest host next time?
Oh, why not? Sure.
Ano, Dabber Cats? Guest host na si Mama
Yes,
next time.
yes, yes.
Yes, please.
Mas lalong tataas yung ratings ng Eat Bulaga pag nag-co-host or nag-guest host si Miss Chris Aquino.
Hi, Tito Joey. How are you?
Tito Joey talaga, Tito? Bakit Tito?
Okay. How are you, Joey?
Joey na lang, or Boss Joey.
Good.
Good luck sa daughter-in-law mo, ha?
Dati, hindi talaga ba?
Hi, Raisa May Aquino.
Kuwang daw ako
Wait,
lang.
Riza May Cojuangco ako.
Ay! Wait, ano yun? Wow! Riza May Cojuangco Aquino. At hindi lang, how do I say this? Hindi yung taong nagsabi niyan, hindi lang basta-bastang ordinaryong tao. Hindi lang yung fan. Galing na mismo yan kay Miss Chris Aquino. Di ba? Approval.
Agad-agad.
Hi, Raisa May Aquino.
Kuwang daw ako
Wait,
lang.
sundan mo. Riza May Cojuangco ako.
Kukontan.
Ate Maya, tulungan mo.
Kaya din.
If you're the man, be a gentleman.
Ay,
Tama.
Diba? And if you're gonna eat out, dapat ikaw magbabayad.
ay na. Hala, napunta ni sila sa pa-date, oh. Grabe. Ito na naman ako. Okay. Sabihin na natin, because I've actually read some negative comments maybe kay Riza May at kay BMB. Sabi din nila, scripted daw. Sabihin na natin scripted, but it's spontaneous. Alam mo yun? Spontaneous siya, hindi siya pilit. Na parang, because you know what? We as fans, kailangan din natin na we might as well set boundaries then sa reality and then sa fan service or like sa, but you know, we never know. Malay natin magka-developan talaga yung dalawa. We never know. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what will happen. Kaya, keeping my fingers crossed. Malay natin magka-developan yung dalawa. Bagay naman sila. Sobrang bagay. As in, grabe si Miss Chris Aquino, no? Game na game. Sorry guys, I can't get enough of the scene yung sinabi niya na Riza May Cojuangco Aquino. Ay, galing talaga kay Miss Chris Aquino.
Raisa May Cojuangco Aquino.
Grabe. Nagba-blush si
Ate
ano.
Maya, tulungan mo.
Tulungan mo ko.
Kaya mo yan, Bill.
If you're the man, be a gentleman.
Ay,
Tama.
Diba? And if you're gonna eat out, dapat ikaw magbabayad.
ay, bakit napunta
Of
sa
course.
date?
Thank you po, Tita.
Love you, Mom.
Salamat sa pagbisita.
Napunta sa if you're gonna eat out, ikaw yung magbabayad, you're the man, be a gentleman. Bakit napunta doon? Approve. Sana hindi lang ito hindi lang ito eme o chika lang. Sana.
Thank you.
As a fan, I don't wanna ayoko umasa.
Balik na daw kayo sa trabaho niyo.
Back to work.
Kilala natin si Grace Aquino pagdating sa work.
Naman.
Okay, so I guess it's about it for our very first video. So I came across another video, but this time it's more like parang old clip na nakita ko. More like a compilation probably ng mga Bimbi and Raisa May cute moments ng mga bata pa sila. So let's all watch this.
She can kiss you.
I can kiss you. Hi.
Thank you.
Kulang. Cute nila ng bata sila. Oh.
Pwede, go kiss her. Come on. Forgive. Oh, see, kiss. Oh, see, kiss. Thank you po. Thank you.
Sobrang cute talaga nila ng bata sila. But who would ever know that, I think if I'm not mistaken, 13 years later, nakita muli sila. Like, I think if I'm not mistaken, the title of that movie na nagsama silang dalawa was My Little Bossing yata yun. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yun yung movie na nagkasama silang dalawa. And of course, they were just kids at that time. Apparently, both of them were very, very innocent. Walang kaalam-alam sa mundo. That's completely normal. Pero, I mean, now that they are like, nasa edad na, Raisa May is 21, and I don't know how old Bimbi is. Maybe 20, mga ganung age din, most probably 22. Just let me know in the comment section below, guys. But I mean, it's just heartwarming to see the two of them being so comfortable with one another. I don't know kung saan papatungo tong love team na to, but one thing that I'm 100% sure of is that maybe fever is on. Madaming mga fans so many fans are crazy about this. Alright guys, what do you think of this video? Let me know in the comment section below. Alright, so I guess that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can be notified when my next video comes out. Peace out.
Don't go,